Hi, I'm Alberto from the Unstoppable Creator. I recently released a mini book, The Ultimate Guide to Guest Posting, because I collected dozens, maybe hundreds of subscribers through guest posting, and I think it's the best, the more sustainable way to build an audience for a writer, because it's algorithm proof and also leverages something you know how to do and love to do, which is writing. But publishing guest posts consistently requires a process. You need to find new publications, you need to contact them, you need to follow up, and you need to do this every month, at least once, to get consistent growth through guest posting. So I built a workflow, a Kanban board more precisely, in Notion to help me with this. And then I created a template for you and also added instructions and templates, message templates to use when you contact new publications. So I want to show you how to use it, and in the description below this video, you can also download the template. So here is my template. And don't be scared if you never use the Notion, because it's pretty simple. You have a table of contents here. So if for some reason you have a smaller screen, for example, you can jump to the relevant part of the document just by clicking on these links. First of all, you have the instructions. They are long, but after a couple of times, you won't need to look at them anymore. They describe how to use the system. I won't go through these instructions because they are a reminder for when you use the system, the template. Here, instead, are the message templates. So let's call them message templates to not confuse them with the overall template. And you have a template for every phase of a guest post, of the life of a guest post. And finally, you have a database. So here, this is a Kanban board. If you ever used Trello, you know what this is and how to use it. When you find a new guest posting opportunity, you can click on New Page. And so you create a new card. And here you can write, for example, the name of the publication or the name of the author, what makes it easier for you to remember the publication. And then you click on the card and a new page opens. When you click here on the full page icon, you expand the page to full page, if to full screen if you need it. And here you add the publication URL, for example, the Unstoppable Creator, and so on. And then you use the due property to set the due date. For example, the due date for contacting the publication or for following up, depending on the status of the of this publication, of this proposal, you can call it, or of this guest post. Then you can use the templates to craft your messages. So you use the proposal to propose the guest post for the first time, and so on. And depending on the status, you decide which message, which template to use for your messages. You can then change the status. For example, when you contacted someone, you click on Contacted here, or you can drag the card between the columns. And you can use the comments to as a reminders for yourself. For example, contacted but never replied, for example. You can use this space in your page to leave some notes to yourself. And here in the body of the article, of the page, you can write your article, unless you already have another place where you put your articles, for example, Google Drive or Notion itself, but in another database. So in that case, you can paste here the link to the other page, to the document you are writing, basically. And this is it. all the how to use the status of the or better, how to use the entire system is described in the instructions here. And if you are a paid subscriber to the Unstoppable Creator, you can also ask help in the chat. So if anything isn't clear enough, or if something goes wrong in Notion, you can use the chat to ask me. I hope this helps, and I hope you get a lot of subscribers and engaged subscribers to guest posting. Thank you. Bye.